All right, gonna do one 9.7 little video to kind of wrap things up regarding using the basics of InShot and basics of editing. Just gonna go over all the features I talked about. Just gonna go willy-nilly, so I may miss a few things. But we're gonna jump into, say, here is a gym I work with up in Providence, Rhode Island. And here they have a great audio.
Good mechanic, he knows how to fix your car.
But it's a bit loud. Right now we have a QR code because we're doing YouTube ads with this one. And let's see what else we can add. Just like in case we wanted to do something else. Let's just say we wanted to make this video into a Instagram reel. Let's do that real quick. All right, so first thing that I taught you, when you wanted to change the size, because right now it is a rectangle. We want to make it into Instagram reel zone. And it's kind of boxed out, so let's make it full. Now we're focused right in the middle.
Prioritizing your fitness.
All right. Also, this audio is a bit loud. Let's bring this down. All right. What else can we do? It's also pretty long. Let's try and make this 30 seconds. Let's take out clips that are little long. So one thing we could do is just clips that we don't really like. Let's see, that one's fine, that one's fine. Let's just say we don't like that clip all the way to her. Let's bring her back in. Let's just get that, delete that clip. Let's go back to him talking, random person, them talking again. Let's just kind of delete some of these, split, delete. All right, let's go to music. Let's just act like all of their audio is not good. We're just gonna go right here. Make all of their audio 0. Jump into here to music. We'll import.
A flash sale is real.
An audio that I did for them right there. And it's a flash sale audio. So let's make it just as long as that audio so that you can see the audio goes up to here. So let's do this. Let's go here and just cut off all the other stuff. Doesn't really matter. But we're gonna go here. Let's see what we have so far.
A flash sale is real. Here at VP Fitness with only $19 to start. You're also going to get a free personal training session,
All right, so typically I'd run this through captions after, but let's see what we can do now while we're still in here. So we want to make an effective ad for a flash sale, right? So based off what I've taught you guys, let's go to text. Let's give it some text. Let's say flash sale. All right, my little weird workaround because it's a little janky, but here we go. All right, let's go with flash sale. Let's get a really easy to read. Let's do that one right there. Let's fix this from last time. We don't need italics. We don't need underline. We do need all bold. Make it nice and big. Cool. Now we're looking a lot better, but I want to be able to see this easily when I want to see it. So let's go to edit. Let's do my little mini workaround because I'm on Mac top. All right, but let's go with white. Looks fine. Let's give it a black border. Easy there. Also, let's give it a blue similar to their color. There, flash sale. Move it up top. And let's round the edges a little bit. Why not? Boom. Now we have an effective little ad that we could run. Bada bing, bada boom. How about we make this glow a little bit? Look at that. Look at that. It looks horrible and corny, but just wanted to show you guys a quick kind of little sneak peek into the process. Typically, I do this all on my phone. I've done hundreds of videos, thousands probably, and I do this all on my phone. You're seeing it on my Mac laptop. I believe it's available also on Android or, Windows, but I recommend just doing everything on your phone. Once you have some ideas, if you don't have any, you can go ahead and just look up other people's ads, other people's videos, and just gain ideas and think about how did they edit that and try and recreate it. So that is a little ending overview. Hope that helped. Hope that gave a little bit of insight, seeing someone work. Once you get good at this, which you can in a week or two, you should be able to crank out videos in 10 to 20 minutes, ready to post, ready for social media. So you have all the power in your hands. I hope you guys stay focused. I have a few more modules that are super important. Can't wait to show you and teach you. Talk soon.